Greg Luther, and listen, if you're a real estate agent, I sure hope you love what you're doing, because you may be doing it for decades and decades and decades. You probably saw the video I did the other day talking about an agent that I met with that's been doing this for over 60 years, and he's only as good as his next closing. What I mean by that is he has zero retirement, zero savings. He's always lived month to month. His theory was, let's say hypothetically his number is $5,000 a month that he needs to make. He always worked to make $5,000 a month. Didn't realize you're actually going to get older. You don't want to be a 92-year-old real estate agent. So I always caution everybody, what you're doing, the systems that you're setting up as an agent, you've got to make sure that you're going about it the right way so that you're making far above what you need to make on a monthly basis. It's crucial that you do that. Of course, we get on the bumpiest road when I'm going live here. We're actually on the way to a horse auction, buying some more race horses today, and was just thinking about all the agents that have played their cards wrong for so long, and there's countless agents that have been doing this for a decade, for 2 decades, for 3 decades, and they still haven't gotten themselves to a position that they're making significant revenue for themselves and have a retirement set up. So you want to think about that yourself. Are you really using systematic approaches, or are you grinding it out? Are you just trying to do everything you can, get a couple more deals, get a couple more deals? It's all about next month, not really about what will my annual income look like and how much of that can I put away for a retirement account, for paying down all of my debts, that type of thing. If you go to, I'm doing a one-time event, which you can attend for free, by the way. If you go to wealthyagentplan.com, if you go there, you can register for Thursday's training webinar. I'm doing it one time. There will be 1,000 agents on there. We're pretty close to 1,000 now that are already registered. So you'll want to go there, wealthyagentplan.com. I want to show you the 3 transitional models that you'll go through as a real estate agent to go from struggling realtor to actually being a CEO of a small business, to running your own real estate practice and making it profitable for yourself. Doesn't matter if you own your business, your company, or if you're with a big brokerage or franchise, or if you're with ABC Realty. It doesn't matter at all. It's how you work your sales business. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Yeah, you'll turn here. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And I want you to be on Thursday's call, which is coming up here very soon. So again, topproducerplan.com. Get out there and sell some houses today, but really think about what you're doing in the overall picture. Are you doing what you should be doing? I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.